Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account to private. So in order to do that, firstly open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. And next is you need to tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and from here you need to select this three-line menu in the top right corner again. From here you need to scroll a bit down until you find this account privacy. You need to select that, and from here you need to simply toggle next in the top right and select switch to private in the bottom. And that is it. Once your account is private, only your approved followers will be able to see your post, reels, stories and follower list. New people who want to follow you will need to send a follow request which you can accept or decline. And that is it. That is how you can change your Instagram account to private. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.